Welcome to Eat, Pray, Plan. I'm Rebecca. I'm a wife, a homeschool mom to two adventurous boys, and I plan our lives one sticker at a time. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that have helped me plan a happy life in hopes that they can help you too. So if you want to see how I do that, come plan with me. It's time for another Planything unboxing. So Amber was so sweet and she reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and asked me if I would like to receive another one of her subscription boxes. And when she showed me the theme, I could not say yes quick enough. She was so generous and she sent this over to me, and I actually received it this morning, which I was a little bit worried because with all this with the storm and everything, a lot of the postal services have been canceled. So I am so happy that I have this in front of me and that I'm able to share with you, because this is a subscription box that you can order, sign up for the whole subscription. So it's a month by month and then they charge it to your card, or you can just purchase one individual box. And this subscription is open until August 24th because that's when she starts shipping them out, and she ships all over the world. So whether you're in Europe or in the States, you can pick up this awesome box. Okay, so let's start opening it up. Well, you can see that I kind of took a peek. I couldn't wait because I knew the theme of this, and oh my goodness, you guys, it is so pretty. Okay, so let me move the things here and let's get the little card. Okay, so this is everything that is included in this month's box, and this box is called Happy Autumn. So as you can see, the theme is an autumn theme, and I just fell in love with these flowers and the color scheme of this box. And the things that are included here are 3 clear sticker sheets. So let's reveal everything in order. You can purchase this this subscription box at Planythingbox.com, and you can go on there and find out all the details, and it is every month she changes the themes, which is really great. Okay, so let's start. So it comes with 3 clear sticker sheets, and look at this, you guys. They are so beautiful. Look at these pumpkins. So when she sent me this to see if I would like it, oh my goodness, these colors are gorgeous. Okay, so it comes with 3 beautiful clear sticker sheets. Then it also comes with 3 paper sticker sheets. So these are really cute for labeling. And these, just like the summer one, you can use to make a fall bucket list. So these are the pages of stickers that's included in this month's box. Then we have 4 double-sided A5 paper sheets. So when I saw these, I was actually thinking of using these as to make dashboards for my pocket planner, because, or I can even make it for my personal, but the thing is that I think I can get more out of it if I do it for the pocket, because I can get 2 out of a sheet. So it comes with 4, and look how beautiful they are. Here, let me turn them around like this. So I love these stripes, and the colors of these florals, you guys, are gorgeous. So I am gonna use these to make seasonal dashboards for my pocket. Look how beautiful these are. So that's the second one. Then the 3rd sheet. So they are double-sided, so you'll have a print on both sides. And then this one. Okay, so then that's the 4 double-sided A5 paper sheets. And then I was really happy when I saw that she had included thin washi. So there are 4 thin washies. Let me poke this. There are 4 thin washies and 1 thick washi. So let me open this up so we can see. Look how pretty they are. I love the pink with all the fall colors. I think it's so beautiful. Let me find the little, where is it? Oh man. Hold on, there it is. I felt it. Okay, here it is. Okay, so this is the first one. So it's this beautiful pumpkin pattern washi with very faint pink lines. Then the next one is also a thin washi that has darker pink lines with these beautiful flowers. So I absolutely love these flowers and the color scheme. It is gorgeous. Okay, and then we have we have now the second pack, and it also, so you get 5 washis in this box, which is pretty cool. Okay, then you have this one, blue with the orange fall leaves, and then pumpkins. So let me, here we go. And then the next one is pumpkins on white washi. So you have those for the thin washi, and then there has to be a better way to open these, right? Less violent, don't you think? Okay, so, oh my goodness, look how pretty this is. I love the color scheme. Have I said that already? This is so beautiful, you guys. Okay, so this is the thick washi, and it is on like a cream background, and it has pumpkins. Beautiful. Okay, so that is the washi tape that's included in this box. And then I'm gonna save this for last because I was really excited about that. So now you have a little stamp. So you have a clear leaf stamp. Yep. Clear leaf stamp, and then you have this cute little sticky note pad. Look how cute this is, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And you get a ton of these. So you have a small sticky note pack, and then you have a pen. Beautiful pen, and I believe it is black. Let's double check again. Yep, it is black. So you get a black pen, and then I was really excited about this bag. Look how beautiful this pouch is. So it is a pencil pouch, and the inside is blush pink, and it is a fabric, it's like a cloth fabric. And then this one, it's great because if you get it dirty, you can wipe it off. So I really love this pouch. It is so cute. Let's put all my stuff in here. Let's see how it looks. So this is what you get in this month's subscription box for the month of August. Look how cute everything is. Okay, so this is the box. Look how beautiful it is. So this is the Happy Autumn box by Planything, and once again, you can purchase it at planythingbox.com, and she does ship all over the world. The last day to sign up for this is August 24th, and you can sign up for multiple months, or you can just sign up for 1 month, whatever you'd like. Okay, so this is it, you guys. What do you guys think? I would love to read your comments below. And thank you so much, Amber, for your generosity and for sending me this box. I love it and I cannot wait to use it in my weekly or my daily spreads. Thank you so much again. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you have a beautiful day. Bye. Take care.